Hello, Carlo here. Welcome to my watch vlog. In today's episode, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 G-Shocks that I'm going to unbox. This is actually the 4 colors of the G-Shock GM-2100, aka the Metal CasiOak. So I have all 4 of them here. We'll break these boxes open, all these tin cans open, and take a closer look at each one. Let me know in the comment section which of the 4 you guys like the most. Who knows, we might do a giveaway. Let's go. Anyway, quick wristwatch check of the day. Since we are doing G-Shock, I am wearing one of my favorite G-Shocks, which is the G-Shock MTG Blue Phoenix. Super colorful, super vibrant, and it's something that's just so unique on wrist. And since I have almost 8-inch wrist, the size just fits me perfectly. So I did a video on this. I'll link it down below in case you guys are interested. Let's start with my favorite, which I think is one of the most wearable of the 4. So this one is the piece that I think most people will have the most wear time, and that's this metal silver gunmetal CasiOak that we have over here. You have that metal steel bezel around it, and then that brushed metal gray finish for the dial just looks absolutely stunning. And this one can go easily, it can fit easily well with a variety of outfits. It can go well with, a shirt, jeans, and nice sneakers. It can go well even with, like a button-down shirt and stuff like that. It's just a super versatile piece. My criticism or minor complaint that I have is that it's so hard to read the time on this watch. I mean, it's almost all the same color. When you take a look at the hour hand, the minute hand, and then the indices. To those asking, the GM-2100, they usually sell for around 14 to 15,000 pesos here in the Philippines. That's roughly a little less than $300. You can check them out at Tokyo or any of your favorite G-Shock shops. Now, from the safest and easiest to wear, let's go to one of the craziest in the collection, which is this. So this one is a silver and red version of the GM-2100. Now, unlike the first version wherein you had like a brushed metal gray finish for the face, this one has a brushed metal crimson reddish, face that just really is kind of a screamer. So if you are looking for a statement piece, a watch that, that's a great conversation starter, or a watch that, you want to draw people's eyes to, this one is definitely the watch that you can go for. It's not something that you find every day on the wrist of people, and it is hella fun to wear. So again, this one is the second piece that I wanted to feature, which is this silver and red. Let me know what you guys think of this watch in the comment section down below. Is it something that you guys would wear, or is it something that you would stay away from? Comment. I'll try my best to reply to as many of you as possible. Now, the next watch is easily my second favorite because I feel that it just goes so well with, like a shirt, jeans, sneakers kind of look. And that's this all blue version of the GM CasiOak GM-2100. So this one, like what I mentioned, it still has that bluish metal case. And then you have the brushed blue metal dial for the watch. Same problem as the first one, kind of hard to tell the time because of the lack of contrast. But hey, in terms of looks, in terms of style, the added metal case compared to the GA-2100s that came before this one is a surefire winner in my opinion. So among the 4, I haven't shown you the 4th one yet, but among so far what I've shown you, if I were to rank, number 1, number 2. And now let's get to number 3. So number 3 in my ranking, obviously the red and silver is my number 4, is the first GM-2100 that I already unboxed on this channel, which is this green GM-2100. If you guys missed the video on that, I will link it down below. So this one, it has a brushed green metal dial, steel bezel, nice green strap to go along with it. Also easy to wear, but I just feel that in terms of style-wise, the blue and the black silver one are just so much more versatile compared to this. So yeah, if I were to rank them, it would look something like this. My favorite would be this. This is number 2. This is number 3. And this over here is number 4. What about you guys? Which one of the 4 do you like the most? Maybe comment down below and rank 1 to 4, which is your favorite. And then, yeah, just share why. And who knows, again, maybe I might pick one of you to win one of these 4 amazing watches from G-Shock. So yeah, that's it for this very quick unboxing. I just wanted to show you the watches. They're super nice, super easy to wear, and they won't leave a burning hole in your, well, bank account. So if you're looking for a watch this Christmas, that's something that you can wear throughout 2022 and onwards. You might want to check those watches out. So guys, this is Carlo signing out. I hope you enjoyed this very quick watch vlog. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.